The Galaxy S24 Ultra is now official, and Samsung has revealed their ultimate flagship phone for 2024, which is sure to be among the top picks of the year. With all the best hardware and software features available, the new Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains the always successful formula behind Samsung's top flagships, which has been largely maintained since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, a large device that resembles a S Pen and has all the features old Galaxy Note phones once had. With only a few notable exceptions, the user experience should be much enhanced when compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's investigate the new features and how things have altered with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Taking a cue from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's titanium design replaces the aluminum armor with a more expensive metal. This is the main new feature of the device. Furthermore, the design is mostly flat on all sides, but the front display is now totally flat with even reduced bezels, optimizing the usable screen area. It is still more ergonomic and pleasant to hold the phone in your hand because of the side frame's slight outward curvature. However, the sides of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are entirely flat. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has IP68 water and dust protection. It goes without saying that the S Pen stylus has returned, better than ever, and is still located on the left side of the phone. Titanium yellow, titanium violet, titanium black, and titanium gray are among the possible colors for the Galaxy S24 phone. In keeping with tradition, Samsung is offering titanium orange, titanium green, and titanium blue as the only color options of the Galaxy that may be acquired via the Samsung.com shop. The new Corning glass armor protection, which is included with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, should also provide you peace of mind that your phone won't break or scratch easily. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.